So this will be our formal discussion between the politics and the types of authority. Isa ni basta na ako. So first, let us define and distinguish each term. So first term was the politics. So politics refers to the distribution and exercise of power within society. So again, refers to the distribution and exercise of power within society. So what comes to mind when we talk about politics? 'Di ba? Usually una ta when we talk about politics is government, the people, the power and law, something based ay nga na. And usually politics is often ma-confuse ka unsay gani unsay relationship aning politics, government and of course the society. So let us illustrate uh, illustrate what the society the relationship between the society, politics and government look like. So here, if batiyag agin ako batiyag ko ano so here let us imagine that this is the society and what governs the society is of course the politics. So politics are actually a higher rank in terms of hierarchy, mas taas ning politics sa society because they are the ones or they are individuals or organizations that governs the society's movement. Next is governance. If you don't know what governance is a systematic way nga paun sa pag-monitor o control sa government ang usa ka society. And of course, if na governance natay government. Sorry ba kay kung agi. Government kana. And lastly, what is above the government is of course the law kana. So here is the hierarchy of politics and the distribution of power within our society. So first is the society, which are the normal citizens, kanang mga bystanders, mga normal lang nga tao or mga citizens sa part of a particular country. Next is the politics, which are mga tao nga in higher place sa hierarchy nga they have the power to influence the society. Mga nga na. And then governance is the way paun sa mulid ang usa ka government, and the government of course kabawontan sa ng government ang kanang mga people with the authority to monitor and yung sa society. And lastly, the law. Of course, the law is very self-explanatory, mo ang batas mo nang dapat sundon sa mga tao. So let us distinguish ang difference between the politics, polity and power. So next is the polity. Polity refers to the political institution through which power is distributed and exercised. So in simpler terms, ang polity is mga institution nga mga institution nga wherein ma-exercise ang power o rights in a society. So one example of this is tawag ato Malacanang Palace, no? Malacanang Palace. So actually ang Malacanang Palace is usually mag-held mo na sila og mga meeting, mga meeting to discuss agendas and mga matters nga mag-affect sa society, di ba? And kinsa may unsay tawag na kinsa may mga tao sa Malacanang. So of course, di ba, ang mga politicians. So ang the polity is the political institution. Wa ko nag-say nga nagmin ko sa Malacanang Palace. Of course, dili ra ni limited siya sa place nga asa i-held ang mga ingana nga klase nga meeting, or di man jud ni siya meeting. It's just one way nga mag-exercise of power ang mga politicians. Ingana. So if medyo na-confuse ka sa explanation sa politics and polity, try to ask me lang balik. So next is power. So going on with power. Power refers to the ability to have one's will carried out despite the resistance of others. Iglesia Gloria ba, di ba? Iglesia Gloria, political power and parental power. So kani this is very self-explanatory. Ang power kuno sa usa ka tawo nga kung ang power kuno sa usa ka tawo para matuman ang iyang gusto maskin pag dili ganan ang tawo sa iyang gusto ipatupad. So example ani ang political power. So example ani is kanang for example if drawing ko. Yan ko mag-drawing.
Democracy versus ano.
For example kani kay mao ni ang president. Tapos here are mga people. Since ang kaning president